High quality connections are really important for clinicians in the workplace and at home. Let's define what is a high quality connection. It is a connection that has depth to it. It's a relationship in which both parties feel that they can be authentic and vulnerable in a safe space. It's really important to cultivate high quality connections, and this takes practice, it takes attention, and it's going to take some time. Now, Dr. Jane Dutton has spent her career on this, and she has a book right on this topic, high quality connections. And I'll share with you 3 of her main principles and how to cultivate a high quality connection. Firstly, she says, high quality connections have large emotional carrying capacities. What does that mean? That means they allow for emotion, positive, and get this, negative as well. So in a high quality connection, the relationship can open itself to somebody expressing, I feel disappointed, I feel frustrated, this isn't what I was expecting, I was surprised by this, I feel anxious, I feel angry. These emotions that we often hide, especially at work, but when we're looking for a high quality connection, we need to express these. Now, I said positive emotions, we need to be able to carry a high degree of those too. So learning to celebrate with each other, even small successes, allows for this cultivation of these HQCs, or high quality connections, as Dr. Dutton points out. That's the first ingredient. The second ingredient is that these connections need to be resilient. So nobody's perfect and no relationship is perfect. So there'll be some setbacks. Someone may say something, not intentionally, but they may hurt somebody else by accident. So in these cases, we need to look at that, apologize, find ways to move forward and learn and grow. We use a growth mindset in our daily lives and in our relationships. So the second is having resilience. First, high emotional carrying capacity. And lastly, it's that this relationship, this HQC, high quality connection, will be generative. It has the capacity for growth, so it can blossom, mature with time. This will happen when it's able to deflect those behaviors that squash growth. So to build these HQCs, high quality connections, what can you do? Well, you can honor the individual in front of you, show respect. We need mutual respect in these relationships. Appreciation. Everyone wants to feel known and understood. So work to that. How can that happen? By listening to the other. Not listening to respond, but listening to understand. And spending some time asking open-ended questions. What do you need right now? How do you see this playing out in the future? What could we do together to reach higher ground, to make progress? And listen to the responses. And then, hopefully, the other party will ask you an open-ended question and you'll get to share it. It must be a give and take in order for this to be a high quality connection.